What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Linkvertise Premium free trial. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly cancel your Linkvertise Premium free trial here? Well, this one is actually pretty easy. Now, what we need to do here is we need to refer to the help page or help center here for Linkvertise. Now, we actually found this article here for Linkvertise help center. So, it shows us exactly here how to cancel our premium account or our premium free trial. So, what you need to do is you want to log into your premium account and you want to go to your settings, which is usually at the left sidebar here, and you want to click on the three dots next to the manage subscription option and just choose the cancel subscription option there. Now this will then this will actually guide you through the cancellation process, so it might confirm a few things just to verify your identity, but just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to cancel your free trial or your premium account. But yeah, so this one is pretty simple. Just follow these steps and you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.